Hello students, today we will see a basic setup of Windows 10 machine, client machine, then how the ping between Windows 10 machine and server happens, then how the Windows computer joins this Windows 10 machine or the client, how it joins the domain nos.ed.om. Okay, these three things we will see today. So I'm going to the remote machine, my remote machine. Okay, so default username is guest, no need to give password, just you will enter. Okay, so in the virtual box you have to import this Windows machine. I will give you the machine. You have to just double click or import this OVA file for Windows 10. Now basic settings, no, already you know that what we do is network adapter should be internal, then promises mode should be allow all. Okay, internal network initially, then promises mode allow all. That's done. Then firewall settings, go to this machine, open fire firewall should be off, right? So we have to type fsmc firewall. So Windows Defender firewall. Okay, this one. Both is this one, whatever. Okay, I'm taking this one. This option. Now turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Take this option. We have domain. See both. Windows firewall off. It's already off. Okay, it's done. After that, what you should do, the IP address. Okay, so here you have to click identifying network settings, Ethernet adapter. Okay, let's identify. Let's wait. So here, before that, I have to turn on the server also, because when I want to ping to the server, no, we need the server should be on. I give the IP address for server as 172.16.1.2, and I have to give 172.16.1.3 for the client machine, and we'll ping between client and server. Okay, let the server comes up. So let me check the other settings of Windows 10. So I'll go here again. Here, Ethernet, change adapter, double click, properties, Internet Protocol version 4, IP4, IPv6. You have to remove the tick, then IPv4, double click, no IP address. So we will give here IP address as, use the following IP. The first one is dynamic or DHCP. We are giving static IP, so 172.16.1.3. Subnet mask is 255.0.0. I think we put 2.255. Then DNS server is the IP address of server 172.16.1.2. Make this, save this data. Okay, now server is now booting. Okay, after server login we will try to ping between server and client. Okay, so we have to go to input keyboard. P enter it $w0 or d22. Okay, server also now comes up. Okay, this is an easy activity but very important, because in our server administration course both client and server should be always communicated. Okay, so before that we have to add the Windows 10 machine into the domain which is already configured in the server, that is nos.edu.om. That's what we are going to do today. Okay, so the server come up. Here client is ready now. Okay, let me check the IP address of client. You know how to check IP address. Server also ready. Just type cmd, command prompt will come. Type ipconfig 172.16.1.3. Okay, you want to see the DNS server also, then go for IP1 space slash all. You can see more details, see DNS around 72.1.2, everything. Okay, now going back to server. Just in the server, what about the basic settings? Just I'll show you. IP address. See, domain name is nos.edu.in. Firewall is off. Now this is the IP address. Okay, I want to ping from client to server. So I'll go to the client machine. I'll ping to this 172.16.1.2. Ping 172.16.1.2. It's pinging. Okay. Now go to client server and ping back. That's another thing. Okay. Again, we have to go to server. Same command cmd command prompt will come. The command is same ping, but the IP address is IP address of client 172.16.1.3. It's also pinging. So ping is done. This is the first step. Before you join the client to the domain, we make sure that both are pinging. Okay, ping works only if you have IP address proper. So ping is done. After that, what you do, you have to join the client machine to the domain. So for that, what we should do is, this is the symbol. Okay, folder, file explorer. Click this. What you should do is go to this PC. Okay, right click, expand this, then right click, properties. There we have so many options. Okay, so I'll go with rename this PC. You can use the combination. Okay, so I will just give the, actually this is not the, I'll try this option. Okay, I will give client. Okay, next. Different machines have different options to change the domain. Okay, so restart later. Now actually where I will change the settings, one is that option, and the one advanced system settings. Okay, see, advanced system, this is the one you have to choose. Okay, rename this PC advanced. There I have change. Okay, name change. Okay, this is done. After that, what you should do is, actually here this option should be activated. Okay, why it is not activated? It should be, okay, you have to restart. Okay, first you will restart, after that you will set that option. Okay, so I will restart the client machine. Let's wait. So restart the machine. So see, the by default username is staff, no need to give password, automatically it will enter. Now the computer name might have changed. Now we have to change the domain name. Okay, so again go here, right click, file explorer. Okay, now open that one. Now click this. Let's see, properties. That actual option should be activated, the domain name. Okay, so here go down, advanced system settings. Let's check. I'm accessing the machine remotely, it's slow. Otherwise, if I'm accessing the directly, it will be faster. Okay, so here, okay, computer name, this is change. Okay, the same option you can do from rename this PC advanced, both are same, that's also same. Okay, but here see the domain, you have to give the domain name of the server as nos.edu.oi. Okay, how I did this, I told you again. Go to File Explorer, this PC will come. Okay, again I will show you. Click the File Explorer, this PC, right click, Properties. Okay, go down, not this rename PC. Okay, you go down and choose rename this PC advanced. Click this option. There is change option. Click the change domain name. It's a part of work group. Now we have to make this part of domain nos.edu.om. Okay, now the administrator, the account for server. Okay, so A capital admini, the spelling is very important. Administrator password is, capital P at the rate dollar dollar W0RD22 administrator. Okay, see, welcome to nos.edu.om domain. Now click OK. Now this is joined. Restart the machine. Okay, they will ask you to restart now. Let's see. During restart I will show you one more thing. So the in the server I created a username for client to enter the domain. Okay, so you can use the same username, but I will use a different username which I have created in the server Active Directory users and computers. Okay, I will show you that one. In this server, go to tools, users and computers, users. I think I created a username. Oh, it's not there. Okay, I will do one thing. I will create a username now. Okay, that username you will use to log in the client. Okay, so new user, the username is server administration SA client, SAC capital, then remaining lowercase, SAC capital, SA client. Next, password same, capital P at the rate dollar dollar W0RT22. Again, same password, capital P at the rate dollar dollar W0RT22. Then password never expire, otherwise no, you have to give password every time new password, so never expire. Next, finish, done. Okay, now go to the client machine. Let's see, because now only we created, let's see the password username is available or not, otherwise yes, no, let me try is applicable or not, otherwise we will restart the machine again, because now only we give, let's say client capital P. See this sign into NOS, this is a new thing coming now, because once we added the client to domain, sign into NOS will come. Okay, capital P at the rate dollar W0RD22. Let me see the username is activated or not, otherwise yes, it's activated. SA client welcome. Now the client machine username is SA client. Just now we created this account in the server. See, now this machine is part of the domain. How we can see that? Already I told you, I just gave the username password created in the server machine. I give in the client, it accepted, it logged in. Now what I how we can know in the server, how do we make sure that the machine has joined in the domain from the server side? Okay, let the machine come up. First time, no, when you are joining that client will take some time. Next time onwards will be very fast. Now it has joined. Now what I will do, I'll go to tools in the server, Active Directory Administrative Center. Sorry, tools, Active Directory Administrative Center. NOS local. Here Okay, and the NOS local there is computer. See the machine name client is coming. Okay, this is the machine name we give computer name given for the client machine. No? That is the client here. Okay, proxy is another server which is already joined. This proxy we will discuss later, because when you go for sixth activity NACT or something, no, that time we need to discuss about, I think for assignment part we need to add one more server, that is proxy, that we'll discuss later, which is because I already done this, that's why it's showing. But now client is the computer name you are given for the Windows machine. We added the client into domain, that's why the name is coming here. Okay, now you want to check again, go there again, go back to File Explorer. Okay, this PC properties. Okay, the device name client, full name client.nos.edu.on. Okay, this is the why, that's why this name is coming there in the server. That's all for this computer domain joining. Okay, shall see you in another video. Okay.